Planning your first camping trip can be exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming. Choosing the right gear can make or break your experience. That's why I've put together a list of 7 must-have camping essentials that will make your outdoor adventure safer, more comfortable, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Every item here has been carefully researched for quality, functionality, and value, so you can feel confident in your choices. Let's dive in. First on the list is the Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit. When you're out in nature, having a reliable first aid kit is not optional, it's essential. This kit comes with 150 pieces, all neatly packed into a compact, portable, and waterproof case. Weighing only 0.73 pounds, it's light enough to fit in your backpack without adding bulk, but it's durable enough to protect your supplies from the elements. Whether it's a small cut, a scrape, or any minor emergency, this kit ensures you're prepared. Its compact design makes it perfect for both solo campers and groups. Next up is the Coleman Sundome camping tent. A good tent is the backbone of any camping trip, and this 2-person, 3-season tent is built to deliver comfort and reliability. It weighs just 7.5 pounds, so it's easy to carry, yet it provides a spacious interior with a practical round shape. The floor is designed for durability, and the tent is PFAS-free, giving you peace of mind about safety. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty, so you can trust in its build quality. Whether you're camping in spring, summer, or early fall, this tent offers excellent weather protection without complicating your setup. Coming in at number 3, we have the CHUANG Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets. Staying warm is crucial when camping, especially in unpredictable weather. These blankets are waterproof and made from heavyweight polyester Mylar, providing excellent insulation in all seasons. At 8.32 ounces, they're incredibly compact, so you can easily store them in your backpack without taking up much space. Measuring 84 by 55 inches, they're large enough to cover an adult comfortably, making them a reliable option for emergency warmth or extra comfort around the campsite. Next is the SUPRUS electric lighter. A small gadget that packs a lot of convenience. Unlike traditional lighters, this one is windproof and rechargeable via USB, eliminating the need for fuel. It also comes with multiple safety features, including overheating, overload, and overcharge protection, so you don't have to worry about accidents. Weighing just 1.76 ounces, it's ultra-light and easy to carry, making it ideal for lighting campfires, stoves, or candles in any weather. Next on the list is the PAC Camping Sleeping Pad. A must-have for anyone looking to stay comfortable while sleeping outdoors. Made from high-quality 40D nylon, this pad is both durable and waterproof, so it can handle damp ground or unexpected spills. At just 1.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to roll up and fit in your backpack without taking up much space. Despite its portability, it can support up to 400 pounds, offering a stable and cushioned surface for a good night's rest. With a thickness of 3 inches, it provides excellent padding against rocks, roots, or uneven terrain, reducing pressure points and improving sleep quality. Number 6 is the Amazon Basics Waterproof Camping Tarp. A tarp is one of those essentials that campers often overlook, but it can make a huge difference. This tarp is made from durable polyethylene and is fully waterproof, providing reliable protection from rain, dew, or even harsh sunlight. Its size, 9.5 by 11.3 feet, is versatile enough to cover tents, gear, or even create a shaded area for cooking and relaxing. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, making it a practical addition to any camping setup. Finally, we have the FRIZCOL camping fan and lantern, a gadget that combines comfort and convenience in one. This multifunctional device serves as both an LED light and a rechargeable fan, perfect for staying cool and illuminated in your tent. It features a 24,000 mAh internal battery, is remote-controlled, and includes a timer function. The fan runs quietly at 30 decibels, with a speed of 3,950 RPM and a 5-inch blade length. At just 2.2 pounds, it's cordless and portable, making it easy to place anywhere in your campsite. For anyone looking to upgrade their comfort, this all-in-one device is a smart choice. Those were the 7 must-have camping essentials that can make your first trip. From the Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit keeping you prepared for any minor emergency, to the Coleman Sundome tent providing a reliable shelter. Each item was selected based on quality, practicality, and value. Camping is all about enjoying nature with peace of mind, and having the right gear can completely transform your experience. I've included all the links in description, so you can check them out and decide which ones fit your camping needs best.